Dear kids, welcome to the Luminaries. Let's shine bright together. Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Today, we will learn something very special that every Muslim knows, the first Kalma. Are you excited? Let's learn it together. The Kalma. The first Kalma is La Ilaha, Illallah, Muhammadur, Rasool. It means there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger. This kalma teaches us that Allah is one, and he sent Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to guide us. It's simple, but it's so powerful. Repeat it with me slowly. La ilaha illallah,
La ilaha illallah,
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Wonderful! You are all superstars for learning the first kalma. Keep practicing it, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.